ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अभ्यास 54 54 द्वितीय भाग। उदाहरणवाक्य प्रथम आम्राः दाडिमः पनसा उदुम्बरा अश्वत्थाः निम्बाः बिल्वाश्च अस्मिन् उद्याने सन्ति। अर्थ
आम, अनार, कटहल
का पेड़।
हाँ, सबके पेड़।
आम का पेड़।
अच्छा, हाँ, I would have said that at the last.
हाँ,
ये पेड़, but
I expected that. हाँ, I expected you'd say in the last. हाँ, then
so नींबू, अश्वत्थ is people, हाँ, people, नींबू, बेल इत्यादि के पेड़ और बिल्व के पेड़ इस उद्यान में हैं।
सम्यक्।
सन्ति।
अस्मिन् उद्याने सन्ति। सम्यक्। In the same way, aham Sundar ji?
Yeah, no, sorry, that Nimba is neem, isn't it? It is not Nimbu.
It is actually correct. Nimba is neem. Sorry, did you say
Yes.
Nimbu? Jambira is Nimbu,
I said
right?
Nimbu, I said Nimbu, sorry.
Jambira is Nimbu. I think it's coming somewhere else. Jambira. Samyak. One question, they have made a mistake, right? Amraha, Dadimaha. But they said only Panasa. I guess it's a mistake, right?
Yes, Sandhi Lopa over here. I mean,
Correct.
Sandhi is, the Visarga Lopa is happening.
Correct. Visarga is getting lopa. It's not a mistake. Panasaha, Panasa, Udumburaha, Udumbara. That is, U and A is later in the next word. So, Sandhi Visarga lopa is happening. Samyat.
So, Hashicha, right?
Correct. Hashicha. And then, second one. Aham, Amrani, Dadimani, Sevpalani. So, these are all okay. But Amrani, which linga?
Napumsaka linga, because it's a vriksha that is being okay. Amrani is it is Napumsaka linga. We are using it for phalam in
Correct.
the phalam sense.
So it is phalam. If it were pullinga like in the first one, it is all vriksha. Amra phala, dadima phala, that is anar, seb, naranga kya? Orange, है ना? नारंग क्या दिया है यहाँ पे?
जैकफ्रूट, सुपारी,
नारंग,
वातादानी,
वातादानी, बादाम,
बादाम, कदली फलानी, bananas.
केला,
All of this I eat after I have had my meals.
सत्यम च प्रायः भोजनस्य पश्चात् वक्ष्यामि.
Ekadashi after having proper meals.
भोजनस्य पश्चात् आफ्टर भोजनं भक्ष्यामि. I eat. सम्यक्. तूष्णीं तिष्ठ.
चुप करके बैठो।
चुप बैठ. चुप बैठ. ये तूष्णीं तिष्ठ. चुप बैठो. सो कस्मात् आगतः. सो सः
वह अचानक आ गया.
आ गया. सम्यक्. आगतः कस्मिन् प्रत्यये अस्ति? प्रत्यय. But it should be tena, right? Why it is te? Because ta pratyaya comes with this, right? Karma vachya. But they have given saha in Prathama Vibhakti. Is that correct? Should be tena akasmat agataha. Because nishta kta pratyaya comes with karmavachya and ktavatu pratyaya comes with kartruvachya. That is how we say.
Bhava, right?
Okay, bhava. Okay. So bhava also should be tena only, right? Tritiya ekavachanam only should come.
Yes.
There is a sutra we had seen. This was in, sorry, the page number. Nishtha Pratyaya must have been 30, right? Around 30, 31. So 30 means page number 80. Next one maybe. This sutra. Niyama ekashatam chaturvimshati. Gatyartha karmaka shishta shleen shishashin sha something. Gatyartha karmaka shishashin sha. It's here only. See. Gatyartha karmaka shishashin stha sava sajana ruha jiryatibhyascha. This sutra says gati arthaka dhatus or akarmaka dhatus. When they come, you can use kartruvachya for kta pratyaya. Generally, kta pratyaya you have to use in bhava or whatever, karmavachya, bhavachya. That is what they said, right? Ta pratyaya karmavachya और भाववाच्य में होता है और tavat pratyaya कर्तृवाच्य में. But saha agataha, saha is kartruvachya and agataha is ta pratyaya. So that doesn't work except if gati arthaka dhatus. Then you can use dhatu se kta pratyaya kartruvachya में भी होता है. Because of gati artha karmaka shtisha shing stha sava sajana ruha jiryatibhyascha. This sutra says sa agataha is allowed.
I had a question, Matarshi.
Yes.
This is with regards to the two rules. One is the pratyaya assignment to the vachya and the second one is for the gati arthaka dhatu. Now there, if we look at it from a sutra assignment way, then that means that there is this can we call this to be an apavada sutra, the second one?
Yeah, you can.
As in,
Correct. You can call it that. Yes. Because it is exception, right? Like, generally it is this way. However, if there is akarmaka dhatu, then you can do the other way also. Agre. दाशरथेः वासुदेवस्य पाण्डवानां कौरवाणां समुद्रेः राधेयश्च ये च एतानि चित्राणि सन्ति. दाशरथी
राम
राम
कृष्ण
हाँ
पांडवों का
हाँ
कौरवों का और सुमित्रा के पुत्रों का, that would be I think Lakshmana and Shatrugna,
हाँ
and राधेयस्य, that is Karna.
हाँ
So Karna का कि ये चित्र हैं, एतानि चित्राणि सन्ति.
सम्यक् सत्यं. Saumitri generally refers to Lakshmana. Saumitra you can say Lakshmana. And
Dasharathe will be all three brothers, right? Ram.
yes,
only, I think.
but generally Dasharathi is Rama. How Saumitri is Lakshmana generally when we say. However, this is where, and this is a good question actually. So yesterday this topic had come up, right? This Gargya. When we are talking about Gargya, there is a point here. So Gargadibhyascha, whatever Gargadibhya, there is one sutra that says that anyone after Pautra you can count in that Gotra, after grandson. That is why this sutra, this example is actually a little out of place, because all the others don't talk about after Pautra. They are only talking about Putra. But when you talk about Gotras, the ones that come after Pautra, after grandson, that is why This Nachiketa was called Gautama. Atma Bhavati Gautama, because from somewhere it had come. It is not that his father was Gautama or even his father was Uddalaka. His father was Vajasravasa, not Uddalaka. But Nachiketa is still called Audalaki or Aruni in that way. Or his father is still called Aruni in that way. So beyond grandson, there is a rule where that Gotra is well known. So that is why this Gargya didn't. Having said that, it is a good example, and having said that, this Dasharati generally refers only to Rama, and Saumitri generally refers only to Lakshmana, even though by Vyakarana they should refer to more people. Sa Vasrani Tanoti Tanoto Atanot Tanuyat Tanishyati. Tanuyat Kasmin Lakarasti? Lakarosti. Vidhiling Satya. And Tanotu is Lot. This is all as usual. Lat, Lot, Lang, Vidhiling, Rid. Every time the same order only they use. Mere gaon mein. ये सब है. तो
Mama Grame.
हाँ.
And then of course you have to start with
So
Amna Palam.
no, Palam or will you use Pullinga or Napumsakalinga?
Oh, पेड़ है.
हाँ.
So therefore Amra.
हाँ, Amraha.
So
Then
Amraha.
हाँ.
Jarimaha.
हाँ.
Then Panasaha it should be a case here.
Because the Nimbu next, correct.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So therefore Nimbaha.
No, Jambiraha. हाँ. Jambira.
Yeah.
Nimbu.
Jambiraha. Then the Guru.
So anyway, Jambira, Udumbaraha,
Udumbaraha, etc.
Ashwataha, Nimbaha, Pugaha, Bilvaha, Kadali Palaha, or Kadali. So, Kadali is Strilinga Shabda. So, this will be in Bahuvachana. How will we say? If Kadali is Ekavachanam, then Bahuvachanam is?
Kadalyaha.
Samyak. Correct. Kadalyaha. Kadalyaha, Badaryaha. Those two are Strilinga. Nariyal is Narikela. Narikelaha. के पेड़ है. वृक्षाः or whatever. Santi. That's all. Santi. वर्तते. भोजन के बाद फल का. भोजनस्य पश्चात फलम dash. Bhakshaya. Bhakshaya, Kada. Phalani also it can be. Sa Prayaha. Prayaha is Prayaha only. Tritiya. Then, acha, this is all of these again. So here you will use Napumsakalinga because they are talking about Phala. How much he eats? You see, one person is eating. Sa Prayaha Amram. That is Amra Palani, Sev Palani, Dadimani. All of these he is eating. Narangani, Kathal, Panasani, or Panasam, whatever. Maybe he's eating one of each. Jambirani, Bilvani. One person is eating so much. Vatadani, etc. etc. Angur is Drakshani. Nimbu also is eating. Everything is eating. Kadali Palani, Narikela Palani, Pugani cha. Bhakshayati or Khadati. Then Chaturtha.
Ete.
Ete.
Amraha. And then what is Seb? Seb is
Amrani. Think about Madhur.
Amrani.
Etani.
Oh, Etani. Then Etani. So Etani, Amrani, and then Seb is
Seva Palani.
Seb Palani.
Oh, okay. Seb Palani, and then Angur. Yeah, I'm bad at.
I mean, we are all, I think, not so great. Drakshani.
Draksha Palani, Kadali Palani, and Amrud is
Amralani.
Okay?
Amrala Phalani.
बहुत मधुर है.
Then, बहुत मधुर है कैसे?
अति.
Ati Maduram.
bahuni madhurani.
Bahuni, ati, both are okay. Bahavaha, sorry, bahuni only you have to say because napumsakalinga. Madhurani santi. बेर और गुलर कम खाओ. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. बेर इज बदरी. बदरी फलम. देन
Badri.
Udumbaram.
हाँ उदुम्बरम.
Atika, is it love? Nahi.
Mitaharam kuru. Eat less. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Alpakhada. Alpakhada.
Alpam khada.
Alpam khada.
That is okay. Mitahara, alpam is easier, I think. Alpa, ati, alpa, they are simple opposites. Ati and alpa. सेब, बादाम, केला और संतरा स्वास्थ्य लाभ के लिए बहुत उत्तम है. सो सेव फलानी, वातादानी, कदली फलानी एंड नारंगानी. फिर नारंगानी च अग्रे.
स्वास्थ्य लाभाय.
स्वास्थ्य लाभाय.
स्वास्थ्य लाभाय अति उत्तमम सन्ति.
उत्तम संति. इफ यू आर सेइंग देन उत्तमानी संति.
But uttam also uttamani it will have bahuvachan. Is it uttam?
They are all. It is just going to follow because we are saying all of them. Na? Sev, palani, badama, vatadani, all of them. They are all best. Uttama.
Okay.
Like that. यहाँ चुप बैठो. अत्र
तूष्णीं तिष्ठ.
हाँ अत्र तूष्णीं तिष्ठ. गुरुजी अकस्मात आ गए.
गुरवः अकस्मात् आगतवन्तः.
सम्यक. Why गुरवः?
आदरार्थ.
सत्य.
So we say acharyaha like that.
Yes, correct. Or guru also you can say, but you can use bahuvachanam. So guravaha is okay, but if there is only one guru like that, acharyaha akasmat, but agatavantaha you can use. There adararthi, or like you said, everywhere adararthi bahuvachanam.
I had a question.
Agataha you can use. Agataha. Question?
That for this adarartha, I mean, we generally use this and we know this as a convention, but is there a Panini Sutra governing this adara thing as in?
No, we have to check because it came at the beginning of this book.
It is there. It is. I remember some niyama or something.
Niyama is there. There is a niyama for sure, but I don't know if there is a sutra. There is one. I'm just checking if I've noted something down next to the niyama. There is a niyama for sure. The niyama is there.
We read once that bahuvachana use karna hai. That's all. That wasn't any.
So the niyama is adararthe bahuvachanam. That is the well-known niyama. Adararthe bahuvachanam. But is there a sutra? We have to check. I doubt it though. I don't think there is a sutra. What we can do? Yeah, there is no sutra. Maybe some Vartika or something, maybe somewhere. I'll check. But I doubt it. नवम. व्यायाम संध्या और अध्ययन नित्य करो. व्यायाम कथम संस्कृत भाषायां?
व्यायामं
हाँ
संध्या अध्ययनं च नित्यं कुरु.
नित्यं कुरु. सम्यक. नित्यं कुरु और प्रतिदिनं कुरु. If you want to use, if we say प्रतिदिनं, which samasa is that?
Prati.
Dinam, not prati. Dinam, prati. But samasa, nama, type of samasa. Is it Bahuvrihi? Or Tatpurusha? Or Avyayi Bhava?
Yeah, like graham, pratigraham, avyayi bhava.
Correct, Avyayi Bhava. The Purva Pada Pradhana. Prati is the Mukhya here. So, Pratidinam, Avyayi Bhava. Nityam Kuru. Pratidinam Kuru, whatever. मेरी पुस्तक शीघ्र लाओ.
मया पुस्तकं
Mama.
मम
Maya is which vibhakti? Maya is Tritiya vibhakti.
मया तृतीय
Maya karyam kritaha. That was. But Maya, Myama pustakam शीघ्रम आनय. शीघ्रम आनय. भोजन के बाद विद्यालय जाना. अच्छा.
भोजनस्य पश्चात् विद्यालयं गच्छ.
हाँ, गच्छ और गमनीयम जाना. If you are saying oh जाओ वैसे जाना to that person गच्छ. महाभारतस्य युद्धे.
In this one,
हाँ.
sorry, Akaji, would we be able to say bhojanam krutva?
भोजनं कृत्वा भोजनं भुङ्क्त्वा you can say. भोजनं भुङ्क्त्वा after eating or भोजनं खादित्वा. But कृत्वा colloquially we say right भोजन करो, but we won't say
करने के बाद, because I read it as भोजन करने के बाद.
हाँ, so technically we would say भोजन खाने के बाद. It is better to say भोजनं भुङ्क्त्वा or भोजनं खादित्वा instead of कृत्वा. But you can use त्वा pratyaya. That's okay. That is also okay. But here we are using paschat because paschat was given in the abhyasa, right?
Yeah, of course. And jhana is like gacha, is it?
हाँ, गच्छ. You go. Like that when we say गच्छ.
And if you have to say it in Vidiling, because it's up, so would it be like gachet?
हाँ, गच्छेत. Or गच्छेत will be स गच्छेत. त्वम will be गच्छेहे. है ना?
Yeah. Okay. So because we can use both lot and Vidiling here.
हाँ, you can use both lot and vidiling. Satyam. So, or if you are saying somebody should go, it should be done like that, then gachet is okay. Sa gachet. Sa bhojanasya khaditva gachet. You can say. Vidyalayam gachet. As the paschat. Bhojanam khaditva or bhojanasya paschat.
Yeah.
द्वादश महाभारतस्य युद्धे. महाभारत के युद्ध में. If I want to use samasa, how should we say this?
महाभारत युद्धे.
सम्यक.
और महाभारते simply.
हाँ, महाभारत is okay. और महाभारत युद्धे, what type of samasa would that be?
Shashti Tatpurusha.
अव्ययी भाव.
Sorry.
महाभारतस्य युद्धे is Mahabharat, that is Shashti Tatpurusha, but otherwise we can say Rajyah Purusha like that also, right? So that will be Avyayi Bhava, I think.
Rajnya Purusha is also Shashti Tatpurusha.
Oh, Shashti, okay.
Because Rajnyaha is Shashti Ekvach.
Yeah.
Avyayi Bhava will come. See, but the simple way is that when you say Raja Purusha, we are talking about the man. We are not talking about Raja. Like Raja Purusha, hey Raja Purusha, idam agaccha, atra agaccha means we are calling the Raja Purusha, not Raja. So Uttarapada. And if it is Purvapada, then Pratidinam, like that. Purvapada is Padana. So here Mahabharata Yuddhe or Mahabharatasya Yuddhe Kaha or Ke Santi.
Vasudevah Kaunteyaha.
Kaunteyaha.
Trayah Kaunteyaha.
हाँ, correct. Kaunte, Trayah Kaunteyaha.
Madreyau. Radheyah. Drauni Ashwathama, I don't know what would be the
Ashwathama.
अश्वत्थामा
राइट?
द्रौणी ही, हाँ है ना,
द्रौपदेयाः
हाँ
च आसन्.
हाँ च आसन, सत्यम. So द्वौ madreyau is correct, or just madreyau, because madreyau effectively means only two anyway. So द्वौ is correct but not necessary. राधेयः द्रौणिः द्रौपदेयः और द्रौणिः अश्वत्थामा द्रौपदेयः सर्वे सन्ति, सर्वे आसन आसन. सुमित्रा के पुत्र लक्ष्मण दाशरथी राम के साथ वन को गए.
सौमित्रिः दाशरथिः साथ.
Saha is correct. Then
दाशरथिस्य
we'll come to that. We'll come to that. But after Saha, वन को गए, how to say?
वनम गच्छेत.
गच्छेत. गच्छेत would be विदुलिंग.
अगच्छत.
अगच्छत और वनं गतः is also okay. Like निष्ठा प्रत्यय if you use.
But since two people are going, would we say agacchatam?
हाँ अगच्छत अगच्छताम, हाँ सत्यम. So but here, okay, so that is a good question. If you say, so दाशरथी राम के साथ, how to say?
दाशरथिना
हाँ.
रामेण सह.
Satyam. Correct. Dasharathina saha. So if we say Saumitrihi Dasharathina saha, then there is only one person really. I mean, he is going along with Rama. It is not both of them are going along with. Lakshmana is going along with Rama. So Lakshmanaha gataha you can use. Saumitrihi gataha. Instead of Dasharathina saha, another way to say it is in samasa. If you want to use bahuvrihi samasa, how to say?
रामेण सह.
Which is another way to say is instead of saha, basically. If I don't want to use the word saha and I want to use only one word,
Saramaha.
Saramaha or Sadasharatihi. Tena saheti tulya yoge. We don't have to say bahuvrihi samasa. We can just say Tena saheti tulya yoge. Sadasharatihi. So Saumitrihi Sadasharatihi vanangataha. That much is okay. Or if you want to use in okay. So you said lang lakara is allowed, right? Any other lakara that we can use here?
Lit lakara I think we can use.
Correct.
I mean, a long back.
Correct. So lit lakara rupa for gataha would be? Will be jagama. Jagama, jagamatuhu, jagmuhu. Jagama. Ekavachanam. And earlier also that asan, a Mahabharata se yudhe sarve asan. Instead of asan also we can use lit lakara for asabhuvi dhatu, which would be we know this word because we've seen it a lot in Upanishad and Bhashya. So when we hear it, we'll be like, oh, okay. Babhuvu, babhuvuhu. Babhuvu, babhuva, babhuvu, babhuvu. Or?
Babhuva. We have seen, I think, in this one, right? Brahma Devanam Prathama Sambhavuva.
Many times, even in, I think in Brihadaranyaka also a few times Babhuva may have come. Katha, Brihadaranyaka, we have to check. These things do come. And also, you can use Chakri Re.
Yes.
तो सब लोग बना रहे हैं, क्या बनाना है? अगर तुम हमारा करना, मेरे को टाइम नहीं रहता है, मेरा भी एग्जाम का भी प्रिपरेशन है, सब्जी वगैरह भी बनाओ. अभी आज को टाइगर समोसा.
So as bhuvi dhatu, you can also use chakre, chakra, chaste, resre came, right? Chakrire.
Ishan, Chakre.
So ikshan chakre in that way. And bahuvachanam, when we say, it will be chakrire. है ना? I think it is chakrire. You have to check. Lit lakara. Babuvuhu. You see? Babuvuhu. Babuva, babuvatuhu. Babuvatuhu, babuvuhu. And chakre, where have they given? They have not given here. But you can use chakrire, I think. Astu agre. These words obviously we'll see a lot in our granthas.
What was the
Bahuvachan.
Mulya Dhatu for this Chakre? Forgot.
I think it'll be as bhuvi only.
Okay.
But I'm confused why they have not given. Let's see this way. Maybe it is another mool dhatu. Acha, they have given kru dhatu. Okay. Kru is okay. Late lakara, prathama purusha, bahuvachanam, chakrire. Satyam, correct. Why generally babuva and chakre are used interchangeably in other dhatus? Like we had seen a few dhatus. Even there will be like alternative versions. Like ikshan chakre also maybe. Iksham bhabuva you can use, I think. Something like that. There will be some dhatus where they can be used alternatively. Along with the dhatu. Also,
Akarshi, I think this Ishan Chakra comes in Aitareya or Srishti Prakriya. So it makes
Ikshan,
sense to have it like Karana in that sense to say.
correct.
Ishan.
Correct. Ikshan chakre, yes.
But the meaning of chakre was destroy, to do, to act, etc. How are we using that as asan?
No, we won't use that as asan exactly. So it is not exactly asan. For asan, it is better to say babuvuhu. But what happens is we have to see certain dhatus. No such dhatus are coming to mind. But there are some dhatus where the lit lakara will be that dhaturupa plus babuva / dhaturupa plus chakre. But no such dhatus are coming to mind, and I don't know.
So
Recently
is it
we have
like
seen a few.
The Tadhita Pratyaya will not work in the Lit Lakara for those dhatus, so we have to use Babuva or Chakre.
Yeah, so generally when you use nishtha pratyaya, it is for lang lakara only. When you say lit lakara, parokshe lit. Na? So if it happened in the past, generally we do use lit lakara. However, that does not mean we cannot use nishtha. Lit lakara adds that layer of detail, saying it was paroksha. It was there. It's just that it was there, but I didn't see it. While lang lakara just say, oh, it happened. Or nishtha pratyaya. Great. This चतुर्दशा वह वस्त्र फैलाता है
सह वस्त्रम तनोति
सम्यक तुम ज्ञान को फैलाता है त्वम ज्ञानम
तनोसि
तनोषि शकार है
तनोषि
अहम धर्मम तनोमि स विद्या तनुयात है ना तनुयात इज ओके आई गेस और तनोतु इज आल्सो ओके तूने सत्य को त्वम सत्यम सॉरी अतनोत सम्यक एंड सॉरी तू अतनोत विल बी स सत्यम अतनोत त्वम सत्यम अतनोहो विसर्ग मध्यम पुरुष स अपनी विद्या को फैलाएगी हाँ हाउ टू से दिस वह अपनी विद्या को फैलाएगी
सा स्वविद्याम तनिष्यति
सम्यक सा दैट इज द बिग डील बिकॉज फैलाएगी हाँ सा एंड इट विल बी तनिष्यति फॉर स एंड सा both that does not have matter on about the linga does not matter मैं गुणों को फैलाऊंगा अहम
गुणाः
Gunan. Gunam. Because dvivachana gunon ko na. हाँ. So द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनम. तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनम will be गुणान. हाँ. फैलाऊंगा.
तनिष्यामि.
सत्यम. Kaunteya Madri Radhi Drauni Nasti. Whatever they have given. It is Kaunteya Madreya Radheya Drauni. We saw that. Tanatina Tanoti. Because that Uhu is there. Tanadibhyaha Uhu. That is a sutra, right? Tanadi Kringbhyaha Uhu, I think is the sutra. Tanadi Tanadi Kringbhya Uhu. This is the sutra. So it will be Tanoti. Tana Oti. You see they are given like this and then it becomes Tanoti. दो ख को बहुवचन बनाओ. तन धातु अच्छा किया हमने अभी और वी कैन डू अगेन. ख को सो स वस्त्र तनोति and then if I want to say te वस्त्राणि
ते वस्त्राणि
तन्वन्ति.
हाँ.
कन्वन्ति.
And there is a vikalpa is there, right? No, there is no vikalpa. Vikalpa is there only in Uttama Purusha. So if I want to say here, last one, मैं गुणों को अहम गुणान और sorry, वयम गुणान तनिष्यामः.
तनुमः और तन्मः.
So that will be for lat lakara, tanumaha tanmaha. But phelaunga will be tanishyamaha. There is no vikalpa. But if it were lat lakara, there is like मैं धर्म को फैलाता हूँ. Here will be tanumaha और tanmaha. अहम वयम धर्मम तनुमहा तन्महा. Then तन धातु को दोनों पदों के दसों लकार के पूरे रूप लिखो. इन शब्दों के साथ पुत्रवाचक शब्द बनाओ. अच्छा हाँ. वासुदेव.
वासुदेवः.
सत्यम. अग्रे.
दाशरथी.
पांडवाः.
हाँ और पांडव. हाँ. Then
कौरवाः.
कौरवः. हाँ. Then this is interesting. पुत्रस्य पुत्रः.
पौत्र.
पौत्र. Then
द्रोणिः.
द्रौणिः. सौमित्री.
सौमित्री.
हाँ. दिति के
दैत्य.
दैत्य. आदित्य. प्राजापत्य.
गार्ग्यः.
हाँ.
कौन्तेय.
हाँ.
पार्थ. राघव. राधेय. द्रौपदेय. गांगेय.
हाँ.
वैनतेय.
और अंजना. हाँ. वाक्य बनाओ. आम्रः आम्रम. अच्छा ठीक है. We can take.
How much of rule we are applying? We are just applying memory. At least I can say for myself.
Yeah, it depends. It depends on how it begins and how it ends, and if it is mother or father, that also will depend. But in the end, you will add that. Then vakya banao. Amraha is for vriksha and amram is for phala. If you were to use one of these shabdas, and one of these shabdas, one vakya, how would that be?
आम्रम तूष्णीम खागर.
चुपचाप आम खाओ.
हाँ चुपचाप आम खाओ.
अच्छा.
तूष्णीम
खाओ. सम्यक.
चुपचाप आम खाओ.
सम्यक. तूष्णीम खादर. And if you were to use tan dhatu will be something like narikela phalam nityam tanotu or something. You have to split the coconut, something like that. Or okay, before eating mango, split it or spread it or whatever. Send that is use tandatu. How to do that? How to say that in
पूर्वे
भोजनस्य पूर्वे आम्रं छित्त्वा तं or no, is it tat because it's in that tat tetani's form, so tat tanushva.
Samyak. Or without that also. Bhojanasya chitva tanushva. Can you use that? Okay, it's correct. Bhojanasya chitva. Sorry. Amram chitva tanushva. Like that.
Sorry, where did the word Tanushva come from?
Is it not?
Tanushva is Atmanipade. Atmanipade lot.
Lot. Atmanipade lot. Madhyama Purusha ekavachana.
Madhyama Purusha. Okay.
Astu. So that way we can play around with these words as long as it means something. Okay. Kopi prashno asti va? Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashripatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomodvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.